thanks for joining us this morning. So you probably wonder who I am and why we're here. So I'm Joe Nabbs, I'm an account director at Lightfoot, and we're here today to say one of you in this room has won a prize. So we're going to unveil the cheque. It's the suspense. So, Robert Brothers, please come up, please come up. Congratulations.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. Well, I wasn't expecting that today.
No. You've had worse Thursdays.
I've had a lot worse Thursdays than this, yes. It was worth the drive down, I think, yeah.
Any ideas what you might spend it on?
Well, I'm currently renovating my house, so that'll go towards a bit of that and maybe a holiday.
Oh, fantastic, fantastic. Well, well done again, congratulations, it's brilliant. Well done. You too could be in with a chance of winning up to £15,000 in our Fleet Driver of the Year 2026. All you need to do is download the app, enter the competitions and be an elite driver. Good luck.